Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update from Triple IT Allahabad. If you want to take admission in the PhD course at the Triple IT Allahabad, you can apply here with the low GATE scorecard or even in few courses without GATE scorecard also. So let's check it out, the complete details here. When you will go to the official website of Triple IT Allahabad, here you can see advertisement for the PhD admission, and when you will click that one, you can just see, when you will click here, this detailed advertisement will be open. So let's have a discussion on the detail. So here they are going to take admission in the PhD with the institute or external fellowship also, and second is for working professional also. So when I'm talking about how to apply, so each and every detail is mentioned here. You need to click on apply, okay, and then you need to go for the respective. Now one important thing is here, application fees is there for the general students 500 rupees, general EWS and OBC category 500 rupees, and 250 rupees for SC ST or PWD category students. Okay, now the next thing is admission process. What is the process, how they will take you the admission? This will consist two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. Stage 1 will have a CBT, computer based test, and stage 2 will be the personal interview. Let's have a check. So stage 1 shall be a screening test, okay, which will happen at the Triple IT Allahabad campus only. That is a screening test, means only CBT test, no paper pen test. Okay, maximum marks of stage 1 test shall be 100 as it is mentioned here. Okay, and 2 hours, the duration will be 2 hours, each section of 50 marks. They will have two sections. Section 1 is common for all departments or branches, and section 2 is specifically for your branch. Okay, now when I will come to the stage 1, if a student will clear in the stage 1, then they on the same day, on the basis of their written test or on the basis of their screening test, they will call you for the means for the personal interview also, as it is mentioned here. Now stage 2 shall comprise a personal interview with the department specific panel. Okay, this is also mentioned. For working professional, there is only stage 2, means no written test for the working professional. Directly for the personal interview you can attend. Okay, by the personal interview clearation you will get the admission here. Now here it is mentioned for the fee structure also, you can click and you can check the fee structure, as this is very important about the dates. So you need to be careful about the dates, as already the application process is started. The last date will be 15th May. So before 15th May you can apply, and the announcement of the shortlisted candidates for the written test, they will show you on the 16th May, means the next day only. And the written test will be there on the 29th May. The result, the date of the personal interview also 29th and the 30th May. Okay, then the result will be declared on the 5th June, as it is mentioned here. So you can just check these dates also. Till now, if you still not apply, you guys can apply here before the 15th May. Now this is the eligibility criteria. This is very important thing. The students think whether we are eligible here or not. So if you are a BE BTech student, then you can apply. If you only qualify the GATE, means low GATE scorecard, but still you qualify the GATE, then you can apply here. So minimum eligibility criteria. So this is for the BE BTech students with the qualified score of the GATE. But if you are a MTech student, then there is no, it is clearly mentioned, exempted only for the MTech. So GATE score is not required for the MTech student. You want to apply for the PhD course, you can apply without GATE scorecard also here. Okay. Now with this you should have the minimum 60% marks also in your respective degree. Okay, that is also required. If I will talk about, you can check more details also here. Now they mention the syllabus also for the written test, what they will ask you. So in everything you can see stage 1 section 1. So data analysis, states, verbal aptitude, reading and reading comprehension, reasoning, where they will have mathematical and logical both. DI, data interpretation, probability, they will ask in the stage 1. This is the syllabus. And for the stage 2 also, they mention the department wise. So you can see the marks is 50, and they mention the department wise also. You can check the details according to your department. Okay, so now as I told you already, the eligibility criteria, if you are a working professional and you want to apply for the PhD course, so then there is only requirement is BE BTech, then also the GATE scorecard is not mandatory. So you can check more details if you are having low GATE scorecard or just qualify the GATE and you want to means you want to take admission in the PhD course, then you should check the IIIT Allahabad also. And this is also a good option, dear students. So stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take